What is a Pioneer DMH C5500NEX? It's an in-dash modular solution digital media receiver from Pioneer. Great, what does that mean? That means the Pioneer DMH C5500NEX is made up of two parts. The first part is a huge flat panel touchscreen that's just 1 inch thick. Or maybe I should say it's just 1 inch thin. And the second part is a control module for all of the audio and video inputs and outputs and all of the electrical connections to the vehicle. Wait a minute, how big is that screen? The whole screen measures 10 inches diagonal. The video portion of the screen is 8 inches diagonal. Oh, and by the way, it's a capacitive glass screen, just like the glass on your cell phone. Is that a bigger screen than a normal head unit? Check it out compared to some other screens. This one is a 6.2 inch screen. And this one is a 7 inch screen. The DMH C5500NEX is an 8 inch flat panel video screen and 10 inch screen overall. Hey Pioneer, why would I even want a flat panel screen in my vehicle? Why can't I just use a normal double DIN receiver like this one? Many newer vehicles create a problem for car stereo installers. They have very little room behind the factory radio, and you simply can't put a conventional depth 2-DIN receiver in there. It won't work. If you have the option to put a flat panel display in the dash and one simple cable runs from the screen to the control module in a different location, problem solved. Are there dash kits for the DMH C5500NEX? Pioneer has partnered with Metra to make kits for selected vehicles. And of course, the Pioneer DMH C5500NEX is a custom install dream come true.